also known as biological psychology, explores the relationship between the biological processes of the nervous system and behavior. Let's dive into its key aspects. Neuroanatomy studies the structure of the nervous system, focusing on how different parts of the brain and spinal cord are organized. Neurochemistry examines neurotransmitters and other chemicals in the brain that influence mood, behavior, and cognition. Neurophysiology investigates the functions and activities of the nervous system, including how neurons communicate and process information. Endocrinology looks at hormones and their effects on behavior and mental processes, providing insights into how our bodies influence our minds. Genetics explores how genetic factors influence behavior and mental processes, often through the study of twin and family genetics. Neuroplasticity studies how the brain changes and adapts in response to experience, learning, and injury, highlighting the brain's remarkable flexibility. Psychopharmacology examines how drugs affect the brain and behavior, including the therapeutic effects of medications used to treat psychological disorders. Physiological psychologists use brain imaging, electrophysiological recording, and experimental manipulation to bridge biology and psychology.
Emotion. Most of us think of love, hate, happiness, or fear. Those strong feelings we experience throughout life. Our emotions are the driving force behind many of our behaviors, helpful and unhelpful. Just where do our emotions come from? Our brain is wired to look for threats or rewards. If one is detected, the feeling region of the brain alerts us through the release of chemical messages. Emotions are the effect of these chemical messages traveling from our brain through the body. When our brain detects a potential threat, our brain releases the stress hormones adrenaline and cortisol, which prepare us for a fight or flight response. When we detect or experience something rewarding, such as someone doing something nice for you, our brain releases dopamine, oxytocin, or serotonin. These are the chemicals that make us feel good and motivate us to continue on the task or behavior. In these instances, the feeling region of the brain kicks in before the thinking part. Sometimes the reactions of the feeling brain are so strong that it dominates our behaviors and we're unable to think rationally in the moment. Our emotions hijack our brain. While many of our emotional responses happen subconsciously, our thinking can influence our emotions, and sometimes this can be unhelpful. Just thinking about something threatening can trigger an emotional response. This is where we can manage our emotions with conscious thinking. Our emotions play a powerful role in the way we experience the world. Understanding and regulating our emotions through our thoughts and behaviors can help us take greater control of our brain and achieve our goals.